Hi everyone, I'm back with another tutorial video, and in this tutorial I will be showing you how you can log in into your online banking account of Citigroup bank account. So the procedure to log in into your Citigroup bank account is pretty simple. All you have to do is follow the step as guided. Just a reminder, before you try to log in, make sure that you already have an account. Only then you'll be able to log in into your account. First of all, you'll have to open up your web browser. You can use any web browser that is convenient for you. As for this video, I will be going on with Google. As you open up your web browser, on the search box, type in the link that is www.citigroup.com. Once you type in the link on the other page, this kind of interface might appear. So this following page is an official site. In order to log in on the same page, tap on Sign On to Accounts in the top right corner. Once you tap on it, from the drop down menu, you have to select your account type. Once you select your account type, on the other page, you will land inside the login page. So then in the right hand side corner, you can see login page. Out here, there are two different ways of logging in. So first one is by entering your user ID and then your password in order to log in. If you're trying to log in into your account using your user ID and the password, what you have to do is make sure that you enter your information correctly. First of all, make sure to enter your correct user ID that is associated with this following bank account, and also make sure to enter the correct password. Once you're done entering your login detail, make sure to review it once again. Only then tap on Sign On, which is right in center. Once you tap on Sign On the other page, you will successfully land inside your Citigroup bank account. So then the next method is by signing on with QR code. So this following method is pretty simple, and also the drawback of this feature is your account should be logged into your mobile phone or any other devices. Only then you'll be able to use the QR code. Otherwise, you'll not be able to log in using your QR code. In case you are trying to log in using your QR code, what you have to do is first of all tap on it. As you tap on it, right in center there's a pop-up, and over here you can see in the left hand side corner there is an instruction, so you can go through it, and in the right hand side you can see there is a scanner. So what you have to do is you'll have to open up your mobile phone or an application in order to scan it. Once you're done scanning it, on the other page you will successfully land inside your online banking account or Citigroup bank account. So these were the following method on how you can log in into your Citigroup bank account on your device. That is all for this video. In case if the video was helpful, then make sure to like, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.